condemnation. This is conviction. There's a difference. One pushes you away, the other calls you home. Band, take me to church. Feel like honey, sometimes it cuts right through. It shines a light on hidden places, shows us what we need to do. I ain't standing here above you, I'm standing right beside. So the Lord is still refining inside. Grace met me where I was, mercy wouldn't let me fall. Love kept knocking at my door when I thought I lost it all. Conviction pulling on my heart, grace giving me a brand new start. Repent, turn around the day, hope showing me the way. They gon' know my sign because it points to Jesus. They gon' know my sound because His love can free us. Lay your burdens at the altar, leave that heavy load behind. The chains you've been carrying don't have to own your mind. Forgiveness still has power, mercy still runs deep. God still walks beside us even when we weak. Can I ask you something? If God called your name today, would your heart be ready? Don't answer me. Answer Him. Because His arms are still open. I've stumbled, I've fallen, I've needed grace myself. Every day's another lesson, not a trophy on a shelf. That's why I sing with joy, not because I've never cried, but because the Lord has never left my side. Sing it song, organ, lifted high, trumpet, sound that victory. Church, can you feel it moving? Conviction leading me home. Grace never leaves me alone. His mercy remain hope, breaking every chain. Another prayer, another blessing, another testimony, another soul coming home. Baby, if this song made you think, good. If it made you pray, even better. Because conviction isn't the end, it's the beginning of God doing something beautiful inside your heart. And that's why they gon' know mine. Glory be to God. Now hold on, baby. Don't leave. This ain't condemnation. This is conviction. There's a difference. One pushes you away, the other calls you home. Bam. Take me to church. Truth don't always feel like honey. Sometimes it cuts right through. It shines a light on hidden places, shows us what we need to do. I ain't standing here above you, I'm standing right beside. I'm just another soul the Lord is still refining inside. Grace met me where I was, mercy wouldn't let me fall. Love kept knocking at my door when I thought I'd lost it all. Conviction pulling on my heart, grace giving me a brand new start. Repent, turn around today, hope showing me the way. They gon' know my sound because it points to Jesus. They gon' know my sound because His love can free us. Lay your burdens at the altar. Leave that heavy load behind. The chains you've been carrying don't have to own your mind. Forgiveness still has power. Mercy still runs deep. God still walks beside us, even when we weep. Can I ask you something? If God called your name today, would your heart be ready? Don't answer me, answer Him, 'cause His arms are still open. I stumble, I fall, and I needed grace myself. Every day's another lesson, not a trophy on a shelf. That's why I sing with joy, not because I've never cried, but because the Lord has never left my side. Sing it, lift it, sound that victory. Can you feel Him moving? Conviction leading me home. Grace never leaves me alone. Repent, His mercy remains, breaking every chain. Another prayer, another blessing, another testimony, another soul coming home, coming home. Baby, if this song made you think, good. If it made you pray, even better. Because conviction isn't the end, it's the beginning of God doing something beautiful inside your heart. And that's why they gon' know my sound. They gon' know my